In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subscribe button to your Wix website. This is a valuable addition to your site that can help convert visitors into loyal subscribers, ensuring they stay updated with all your latest content. Let's dive right into the process. First, we'll navigate to the Wix website editor. Open your browser and head to Wix, then log in to access your dashboard. Once you're in, select the site where you want to add the subscribe button. This will take you to the editor, which is the place where all the magic happens. Now look for the plus icon on the left hand side of the editor. It might resemble a little circle with a plus sign. Clicking on it will open up a menu with various elements you can add to your site. This includes everything from text boxes to images to what we're looking for, forms. Within this menu you'll see an option titled Contact and Forms. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to give you a range of form related elements. We are particularly interested in the subscribe form. Click on it and you'll see a selection of templates from which you can choose. Choose a template that complements the design of your site. Don't worry too much if it's not perfect right away. You can always edit it later to fit your needs. Once you've selected a template, it will appear on your website as a new element, ready to be customized. Next, click on Edit Form. This feature will allow you to tailor the subscribe form to your specific requirements. You have options to adjust and edit various components of the form, such as the fields where new subscribers will input their information. Take some time to edit the contacts section to ensure you're collecting all the necessary information you might need from your subscribers, such as their name and email address. Then navigate to the general settings to tweak any overall preferences you might have regarding how the form functions. You can also adjust the choices and dates if your subscribe button involves special options or date related subscriptions. If your subscribe form includes financial transactions, make sure to carefully edit the payments section to ensure everything is secure and working correctly. Additionally, don't forget to adjust the aesthetics and functionality of any buttons included in the form. This is a great opportunity to ensure seamless navigation and visual consistency with the rest of your site. Lastly, make any necessary changes to the layout elements to ensure the form sits perfectly on the page. Once everything looks and feels just right, head over and click Save to apply all your changes. And there you have it, your newly added subscribe button is ready and waiting for visitors to your site. This feature not only enhances interactivity, but also helps build your community and engage with your audience more personally. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.